What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Happy Friday, and today we're going to take a look at some comments I got on my YouTube channel. We're going to take a look at the crypto market and how things are looking right now, and at my portfolio that I'm building, on crypto portfolios. Is it already time for me to buy? Is the bottom for crypto in? Could we expect another leg down? What's my strategy right now? And I'm making a lot of videos about that because, you know, the crypto market is changing every single day, so we have to change with it every single day. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, push it into YouTube's algorithm, and turn on the bell notification. I'll be here every day on 15 UTC, PM UTC. I don't know. I suck at time zones. Before we're going to take a look at some comments that I got, because I want to reply. The channel is not very big yet, so I can basically reply to everybody, and that's what I try to keep on doing, and it gives us some nice content, man, because that's another way. If someone puts in a nice comment about something, I can make a complete video about it, basically, right? So first, let's take a look at the crypto market. And if we take a look at the crypto market, I'm shooting this one day before, so it's like not that time sensitive on my channel. We just, for the time of recording, had the Ethereum Merge, which I think looks like for now was just a success, not big of a price impact right away. Didn't really expect that as well. I mean, if we take a look at the daily, nothing really happens right here. But the Ethereum Merge is just for the long term, right? Ethereum is now also deflationary. It's just looking all really good for Ethereum. And in the long run, I think it's a really good, you know, coin to have, right? So for now, Bitcoin, lately we got rejected again here, like almost perfectly at this line. That's for now not really concerning, as long as we hold $19,000, give or take, right? You can move this line up a little bit, of course. If you want to put it here, then it's also accurate, and we're sitting at 19. If you want to put it here, we're sitting at 18.6. So somewhere 18.5, 19K, that's the region we want to hold for Bitcoin. If we don't hold that, then I can see us go much further down. If we do go a little sideways still, it's also very interesting because, like I said earlier, you know, until the first week of October, give or take, it is make or break time. And it could happen before that. It could happen that by the time you watch this video, Bitcoin is already broken down or up. But, you know, by then, this triangle stops being a triangle. So we'll see where we have to go from there, right? And that's very exciting. Why? Because this trend line takes it back all the way from the moment the bear market really started. And this trend line holds basically all the support that we have since this bear market at around 20K. And if we break that, we can see new lows, right? And that's going to be very low, basically. So it's either the one or the one of the two, right? So yeah, I have no idea which side it's going to be. I can tell you that. All I know is how I'm going to play it. You know, if it breaks out and it comes back down to retest, then I'm gonna buy. You know, you don't want to buy the fake out. If it breaks down and goes back to retest, I'm gonna, well, probably sell something or short or whatever, but be prepared for the fact that it might come down a lot more. So before we're gonna talk about my crypto portfolio and if it's time for me to already buy some altcoins that I don't want to miss out on, let's take a look at some comments on the channel. Because I got some really interesting comments, and I'm doing this crypto challenge. Really watch these videos. You can win a complete crypto portfolio, and I think it's going to be worth a float in the next bull run, really. So I need to know from you, what are the best altcoins and what are the best crypto YouTubers with the best altcoin calls? Let me know in the comments. So I'm going to skip all these because I just covered that in yesterday's video. But I do want to go over some other comments just to see what people have to say. So let's go a little back what I haven't discussed yet. So let's take a look. Where are we? Look, these bots are really fucking hate these bots. This is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. All right, here we were, something like that. Yeah. So someone said, great content. Where's the crypto portfolio you promised? It's already out. So that's not really, you know. Unlike XRP, Krypton is holding ground and growing steadily. I think it's a bot. But if not, I don't want to ignore you. So let's take a look at Krypton. But unlike XRP, yeah, unlike everything, because it's a bear market, right? But Krypton. Okay, let's take a look at Krypton. Never heard of it. Krypton. Okay, so that's this right here. Yeah, okay. But unlike XRP, this has no market cap. And no volume, and no decent listings, and fuck off. No, this is a bot. I hope it's a bot, at least. If you are not a bot, you're really looking at the wrong coins right there. Can you do a video on Everrise sometime? Another video. I haven't made a video about Everrise on this channel. I think I did it on the Fomotion channel. Yeah, maybe, because Everrise is from what I thought, a quite low cap coin as well. Well, no, not really rank 500. Okay, cool. Let me take a look. There was a really, yeah, okay, Everrise. Ooh, damn, that's nice. That's nice. I can see this go. Ooh, this is really doing good, man. I knew when I made a video about this. Haven't I bought a shitload of Everrise? Because what the fuck happened here? Okay, it's up quite a lot from its all-time low, as you can see. What the fuck happened to Everrise, man? Cool. I think I have some, by the way. I have to take a look at that. Weird. All right, Everrise, looking good. Excellent video, thanks. Bro, Sol is reopening a new resource mainnet very soon. The hack and audit is finished, so you have a little time to buy back on Sol. Look at the tokenomics, you need to have some. Yeah, but you responding that on my crypto portfolio. On my crypto portfolio, I already have Sol from what I know, because I have it right here. Yeah, so Sol is definitely in my portfolio. Tokenomics of Sol, by the way, are fucking insane. If we take a look at Sol as well. Therefore, it's a good product, but the tokenomics also, I mean, this is like, can't get any better, right? And the price has been coming down. So it's basically just because of, you know, bear market, but it's down a lot. It was $4, now it's 24 cents, while this is already vested. So I can see Sol moving up pretty hard in the bull run. In the bull run, it's good. In the meantime, yeah, so could go to 10 cents. Definitely, 100%, that's possible. But yeah, therefore you dollar cost, right? I love Sol. I have it in my portfolio and I will keep it there. Greetings from Germany. Germany, thanks to the government. But you are the guys with the high gas prices, right? Well, we in the Netherlands are screwed as well, by the way. So, what's the risk of impermanent loss by staking SNFTs LP if the token moons? You pair SNFTs with S-Fund token, right? So you have your SNFTs token and you have your S-Fund token, and you pair them. If if SNFTs goes up and S-Fund stays kind of the same or goes down, then you are getting less SNFTs, but you're getting more S-Fund. So you don't lose money. Well, you miss out on the gains that SNFTs made because you're getting more S-Fund tokens. But in this case, I believe that if you believe in SNFTS or if you believe in S-Fund, then you believe in the other token as well, because it's the same product. But if you have a high conviction rate of SNFTS in general, and for some reason less in S-Fund, then I would say just buy SNFTS or SNFTs and go stake it. Then you have no impermanent loss. It's basically what I would do then. We need to do another video, bro. The token is getting ready to moon, really gaining momentum. Yeah, SNFTs is going to be big. This is going to be fucking big. Like, for the people that don't know, you should Seedify is, they have basically all my money. What Seedify is, it's a crypto gaming launchpad, and they are working on so much more than that. So this S-Found was the native token in the first place. It started as an airdrop, and it climbed all the claim. What's the right word? It climbed, I don't know, all the way up from where it started. I think it was 50 cents to $18. And now in the bear market came down, of course, but it's going very strong now. It's very strong compared to basically everything in the top 100. Seedify is outperforming everything, basically, right? But this shows the potential it has. It had a market cap of $350 million, something like that. This could easily reach $1 billion in the next bull run. But they just released SNFTS, and this is because they're going to start a NFT launchpad as well, and they are going to make a complete metaverse, and this is going to get out of control, right? So SNFTS is the native token for that, and this token started, you know, at around well, this is not the starting price, it was 0.0004, so it already did quite often 50x, something like that. Now it's going a little bit down, but I think at the moment of recording it has a market cap of around $15 million, something like that. With the current supply, of course, supply will go up, but that's only in 10 years, so it's not that bad. I think SNFTS could, it's now 1.5 cents. Yeah, I think that this could, maybe it will go to 20 cents in the bull run. I don't know, maybe even more, right? People were calling for $1. Dollar doesn't make sense. It's only psychological. It's not based on anything. But this will do very great, very great. And like I said, you can stake it, you can farm it. I'm farming it. I have this, well, just saw like around 7,000 in a day for free, right? 7,000 of these things right now is $100. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna make more about that, definitely. I'm not even sponsored by Seedify, but I'm just gonna make videos about them like I am. Because just until they sponsor me. Because I love this project so much. Kumar Consulting said, most of the shit launchpads you're promoting, most of shit launchpads you are promoting here, except for Seedify and Polkstarter. Yeah, that's quite weird that you say that, because I understand what you mean, like these things are not good. But I'm talking about Polkstarter, Engine Starter, Paragen, Spintop, and Seedify. I'm not promoting it. It is no promo. I'm just giving you my top 5 launchpads. So promoting it sounds like I'm making this video because they reached out to me and paid me to talk about it. That's not the case. Also, Polkstarter is a very good launchpad. Engine Starter, it's new, it's low cap, not that high returns, but it's going strong. Paragen, high risk, definitely. Spintop, very new, but for now, a very good launchpad, and then Seedify. So yeah, it's like, yeah, it's my top 5, you know. Number 1 is the best, and number 5 is less best, to put it like that. So, but thanks for the input. Let's go to the next one. Oh yeah, someone said, what's my strategy on this NFTs? Because he says, like, there was some profit taken last hour, but I guess the token will skyrocket even more when there's more publicity. What's your strategy? Yes, there is some impermanent loss with cost profit when SNFTs goes up quicker than S-Funds, but APR from the pool still very attractive. And how you say, also somewhere S-Funds is very nice. How much is the market cap now? I think there's slightly more than 1 billion tokens in circulation. So, you know, there are 20... Like, I think that the fully diluted is 300 million. I think the current market cap is around 15 million, something like that. Slightly more, 20 million at when this is at 16 cents, give or take, right? And what my strategy is basically, I was cashing out on my SNFTS, man. I was harvesting this all the time because I think the price will come down even more, you know, for now still. But maybe I'm wrong. And I don't know. But also you can buy land in their metaverse soon, and you need SNFTS for that. So now I'm not cashing out anymore. Now I'm just collecting my SNFTS. I'm gonna buy some more when there are dips. But yeah, I don't want to be overexposed because I can see it coming down. It did a 50x. Like, let's do calm down. Right, on to the 1K subs. Hell yeah! So subscribe to the channel, please. Hopium. I don't know what you mean by that. I know what hopium is, but is it good? What you try to say or bad or? Even I thought wise FOMO flooding, but yes, history speaks for itself. Yeah, that was about me saying that SNFTS to $1 is not realistic, at least not in the bear market. Altura will be great after listing on Binance soon. As far as I know, there are no plans for Altura to list on Binance. Would be awesome, but they don't have the volume for that. It's quite low cap for a Binance listing. Yeah, no. Okay, I have to check it out if that's true, but I don't think that Altura has plans to list on Binance, though. But share me what you know, the information you have. And yeah, cool. I can make a video about it because I love the project. He says I can take $200 out of my Cardano. Which high risk altcoin should I put the $200 in? I would just watch my videos, and I have a lot of stuff that I like, and try to explain it as good as possible. So maybe take that as some information and then make your decision on what you can do with it. I don't have a specific one that I say like, oh, this is what I would do or something for now. Aren't you much interested in ROI DApps such as Drip? No. Yeah, no. Look, like, not for this channel. This channel is for the you know, the long-term investment, right? For the next bull run to make 100x's. And ROI adapts such as Drip. Look, Drip is a Ponzi, right? And it could be profitable for a while, but I don't see this. I don't see that exist like for a long time. I think these things are nice if you're early on it. Then you can make a lot of money on it. If these things are really new. But if they're already out there for a while, you're gonna just end up being someone's exit liquidity. So, no. And someone else asks, can you tell me how to calculate my daily return from farming in SNFTs tokens? And do you receive LP tokens in return, or SNFTs or Seedify fund tokens? You receive SNFTS tokens for farming, so that's what you get. So I hope that answers that. And the other question, I have something very nice for that as well. Calculate your daily returns. Here we go. Let me look it up for you. You're gonna like this. There's Seedify bot for that. So if you go on Telegram and talk to Seedify at Seedify bot, this is the one. And then every day you get to see how much you have, how much tokens you have, how much tokens you get every hour, how much SNFTs you have, how much you get for that every hour, what one LP token is worth. It's very, very helpful. Very helpful. I love checking out. This updates you every day, once a day. Like for me, it's in the evening. So that's it for now. I wanted to take a look at my portfolio, but the video is kind of taking too long, and my kid is going to cry if I don't help his mom right now, because he needs me. So I'm gonna do that. Thanks for watching. And he needs to sleep, so I need to shut the fuck up. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow I'll be back with a new video about my crypto portfolio. Maybe dollar cost something on screen even. So, you know, be there. Love you guys. Subscribe to the channel. I don't know why I have this here. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Push it into YouTube's algorithm. You know the drill. See you soon. Bye.